Okay, so Nthabiseng, basically where I am with GbpJpy is within this channel. This is where my analysis has been stuck this entire time. Not stuck, but centered around, right? So this is the weekly, okay? So it's quite simple to see here. This is my main focus. I mean, we had this momentum here, but it eventually failed at the top. So I'm really hoping that the longer term momentum continues, right? And I know I say this about a lot of pairs, but it's really how I look at the charts, right? Momentum plays a huge role for me. So anyway, it's like if we go down to the lower time frames, we see something interesting here, right? D1, right? Okay, hold up, right? This is one thing I want you to pay special attention to. I picked this level out specifically because of how defined it was. One tip is never trade based on these levels here because they are quite fleeting. Not much volume is there. Not many traders are there. Most stops, entry stops, are usually centered around the peaks. Like this is just the basic stuff, right? I just felt I need to touch on that. So when I drew this here, I was not really confident about it because it's within the trend. It isn't a major swing high, but it actually manifested quite beautifully, right? And when was this? It was on the 21st, right? Around the 21st. Yeah. So hold up. If we go down to the H4, we can see it in more definition, and you need to understand why I'm mostly focusing on the low. This right here, this right here. Another perfect example where we did not really get a really good confirmation because the candle itself that broke the line was too damn long. It's just too many pips, too much movement missed out on. Now that's if obviously you're trading on the H4 like I do, right? But anyway, we had this huge reaction over here, right? It really peaked over. And keep note again, 50 EMA, falling up bands, retest of a key level, all in one. And what do we get after that? We got this where we are now. So where are we going basically? This is the level that I'm eyeing. So I think we are gonna go low, but the level that I'm eyeing is this right here, set from this point. And we saw this move across many pairs. It's just usually when they do this, they're trying to change market sentiment into a different direction because they know there are people who get trapped to the low. But the general sort of theme in the trading is that if a move like this happens, it's usually to reset direction. And they gave us such beautiful strides here. They gave us beautiful movements. But when momentum stopped here, which for BBMA and MMM traders would have seen, right? When momentum stopped here, they just consolidated it, which would have been a huge anticipation to the high. I'm sure I did analysis along those lines as well, right? But we got this here. So I'm really confident for a move to the low. But this level is key. If it does not break this level, I don't see how it can sort of move any lower because this zone here is a huge barrier to it. But that's just my basic analysis on GbpJpy. That's my own personal opinion, my own 5 cents. Thank you.